So it's really amazing of how you can go in and not only access our data, but have links to other people's data. And with this one, really quick, I'll show is that these people own multiple properties. Here are all the other properties that they own. And I can easily check out this property that they also own and see the information here. So again, Danny Gabbert. He owns 259 West Lakeshore and 428 North Ohio. So this guy has multiple properties. We even give users that as a search criteria. So you can go in and look for these people that have multifamily properties and specify, where is it? There we go. Let's go in and go owner, number of properties owned, say 10 or more. And now I'm looking at every multifamily property that's owned by somebody who has 10 or more properties. So the possibilities are endless of what you could create, and then you could dive into those specifics and get that data.